business intelligence has changed a lot in the last 5 years. We've seen a lot of new tools enter the marketplace, and really we need a good vendor like OST to help us discover and vet out the tools that are going to be best for us.
So when we started with JCI, we were really focused on the application architecture.
Now what our application does is get data from buildings like this one, and it brings it into a central repository. Tons and tons of data. Thermostats and lighting controls and all the other information that's being generated from this building automation system. Put it into data marts, as we call them, and then putting a number of visualizations on there that allow you to make business decisions to then save money.
Our capabilities around understanding how to take data, understand its structure, and be able to pull it into a common platform so that our customers like JCI can report, visualize, and build custom applications on top of the same data set.
A few years ago, we pretty much focused on building efficiencies in certain portions of that, but now we do we provide an entire solution to JCI that can serve their customers for managing their entire energy levels within their buildings.
It's really an emerging kind of space at this point in time. People are starting to grasp that you need to make data-driven decisions. How do I drive my business around data and not just a gut feel? And really, it's using data analytics in the tools at your disposal to make better decisions.
Going through this process and transformation with JCI, this has really become kind of the genesis for us to think differently about the data that we're dealing with and more focused on data solutions versus application solutions.
Well, I think what we've done here in terms of development is what I'd call extreme agile. So one thing is I'm co-located here in the building with my development team, and it's really allowed me to talk about requirements to them, talk about the business needs, talk about what we're trying to achieve, what's the overall goal.
It's allowing us to get into a customer's mindset, really understand what the key drivers are in their business.
And really, it's been OST and JCI partnering on this together that allows us to hit some of our budget timelines, hit some of our sales numbers that we like to achieve, but also get features in the marketplace that are cutting edge.
Having Jeff as part of the team and actually working out of the OST office has provided great value to our team. It allows our team to quickly pivot based upon their needs.
So then as we design screens, as we design reports, as we design the evolution of what the product is going to be, our embedded team allows us to basically transition and move and get through the development cycle very quickly.
So what we do as a company is we focus on building trust. When we're able to develop trust, we're able to speak very frankly with them.
I don't want someone telling me this is always going to be on time, this is always going to be on budget, this is the right way to go. I need someone to tell me the truth sometimes and say, you know, Jeff, that's a really bad idea, we're not going to do that.
When you have a high level of trust with your customers, you can debate the merits, which produces a better result.
And so it's really been a great partnership with OST through the course of the last 5 years. As data analytics have changed, we've utilized OST's skill set to help us grow in that industry.
And going through this process with them, we really became experts on data and data analytics, especially when it comes to data volumes, performance, all these things that are just kind of a different mindset that you get with kind of a custom application approach.
I've looked at big data and IoT. A lot of people have a lot of ideas about, I'm just going to start pouring this data in here, okay? And I'm using up storage and I'm getting all the data in. But the key is finding the people that can translate that into business speak. So that's really been one of the great things about working with the team at OST. The developers, the solution architects, turned into people who understood the business case. That's the difference. That's the difference.